A massive snowstorm is causing havoc in the Northeast, impacting businesses and delaying flights. Tyler Fingert is in Washington, where Snowstorm Stella is burying the city.
Tonight, the big dig. The massive nor'easter dropped a lot of snow from our nation's capital to New York and even to Boston.
This storm is still coming, it's still real, and people need to continue to pay attention to help us keep you safe.
In D.C. today, government employees got a late start to the day. Government offices worked on a 3-hour delay. This March winter storm dropped a blanket of snow here on the National Mall, the first measurable snowfall this season. Crews worked through the night in many places to get the streets clear. The storm is causing quite the headache for travelers. Airlines like Delta, American, and Southwest canceled thousands of flights ahead of the storm, leaving many stranded, including people heading to Arizona. In New York, Mayor Bill de Blasio asked people to stay off the streets.
For your own safety, given the frigid temperatures, the huge amount of snow in a short period of time, the wind, stay off the streets.
People in the Northeast are hoping this will be Mother Nature's final punch before spring starts next week. In Washington, Tyler Fingert, Cronkite News.